Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, July 14th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. Since it's Monday, that means it's time to dive into the big market movers for the week ahead. It's going to be a busy one, so let's get straight to it. Before we begin, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So first up, earnings season is officially kicking off. And it's the big banks leading the charge. JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs are all reporting this week. Some of them already teased better than expected numbers last quarter, but they've also flagged a bit of uncertainty ahead. So yeah, this week could give us a clearer picture of how the financial giants are weathering higher for longer interest rates and trade headwinds. And it's not just the banks. We've also got tech and pharma in the mix. Netflix is reporting and everyone's watching how the streaming giant is handling subscriber growth, competition, and that ad-supported tier. Then there's TSMC, the chip-making powerhouse. Its earnings will be all about artificial intelligence demand, which has been off the charts. On the pharma side, Johnson & Johnson and Novartis are reporting, and we'll also hear from GE Aerospace and Pepsi. It's a pretty diverse earnings lineup, so expect lots of headlines. Now let's talk data. The June Consumer Price Index drops on Tuesday, and that's going to be a big one. Inflation rose a little in May, up to an annual rate of 2.4%, but it was less than expected, so investors are hoping this trend continues. And if it does, well, that could put pressure on the Fed to ease up on rates at the next meeting. Speaking of the Fed, a few officials will be speaking this week. Governor Michelle Bowman and New York Fed President John Williams are on deck. Plus, we'll get the usual weekly jobless claims and retail sales for June. Those numbers matter, especially since consumer spending drives like 2/3 of the U.S. economy. Last month, retail sales dipped a bit, probably because folks rushed to buy before tariffs hit. So this report will show us whether that pullback was just temporary or something more. And don't forget about housing. Thursday brings the Home Builder Confidence Survey, and Friday we get the latest data on housing starts. With inventory still super tight, the market's kinda stuck between high demand and not enough supply. So yeah, earnings, inflation, retail, housing, Fed chatter, it's all happening this week. Alright, that's your quick take to start the week. Catch you tomorrow.